done an update, but I thought I'd do a little sit down. I am actually gonna have my appointment. It should be another ultrasound. So today is August 15th and my appointment is at 11:30. It is currently 9:30. So yeah, so I'm hoping to take you guys with me. I don't know if they allow, because if you watch my previous, if you do not, I will have them linked below. But my previous one about my little announcement, I had to find a whole new OB. So if you want to know about that, check out my last video. But anyway, so I don't really know how these doctors work. Oh, that's in the way. Okay, so yeah, so I'm gonna have an appointment today. Today I am, I believe, 11 weeks and 3 days. 11 weeks and 3 days. I'm pretty sure that's what I am. My camera's going to die. Great. Oh wait, so yep, I'm 11 weeks 3 days, and baby is size of a Hot Wheels car. So his reaction was, we went out to Cheesecake Factory with our good friends, and like, so here and there I was gagging. I haven't thrown up, but all of a sudden while we're waiting to be seated, I started gagging. Like I did like 3-4 times in a row, and then he was looking at me, he's like, you better not be pregnant. And then I was like, I'm not. And then throughout the rest of the dinner, he just couldn't stop like being on my case about it. So he kept asking me, he's like, are you pregnant, are you pregnant? And I kept saying, I don't know. I was like, I don't know. And then like, it's because like I was just scared, and plus we were with our friends, so I felt like that was not the time to announce it to him. So I was kind of like, you know, kind of scared. So then we got home, and then he wanted to be stupid, you know. He wanted to be, oh, so where are we gonna put the baby's crib, like saying dumb stuff about our room. And then, so if you know, we just lost the house. The sellers canceled the week of our closing, so we are still living in boxes. Wow, okay, watch out, Ela. So we are all living in boxes still. So he was like being dumb, and then I started like getting teary-eyed, and I was like, well, I'm like 3 months, so you have 6 months to figure it out. And then I just started bawling, and then he was like this. He was like rubbing his head. He's like, Alicia, he's like, are you serious? He's like, are you lying? He's like, is this for real? He's like, you swear to God on our kids? And then I was like, yeah. And then I just started crying, and then he started holding me, and then basically he was saying it's a blessing and we're gonna get through it. But the whole time at dinner, okay, he was being all negative, being all mad. But I guess once it hit him that it's for real, he's fine with it now. I mean, we gotta do what we gotta do. So we're having this baby. Yeah, are you gonna be a big sister? Yeah, sorry, she's sick. But yeah, so I wanted to just add that in because I didn't get a chance to talk about his reaction. So yeah, so then this will also be like my 11-week update. So I mean, my boobs are still tender and sore. What else do I feel? I don't really crave things, but when I see somebody else eating it, I want to eat it. Like, so we went to I don't know if I told you guys this, but we went to like the crab boil place because I was watching B Loves. Yeah, don't kick it. I was watching B Loves, and she was eating like all her seafood, so I was like, I want seafood. So luckily Leaky took me. And then this past time at Cheesecake Factory, I was watching Gordon Ramsay. Shh, you have to be quiet. I was on Gordon Ramsay for Ila, shh, you have to be quiet. Look, go wipe your boogers. So I was watching Gordon Ramsay on like Facebook, and then he was getting like a whole lot of pasta stuff. Like it looked, Ila, you can't stay here if you're gonna be loud. Yeah. Then you have to be quiet. Stop kicking the tripod. You want to show them it? Okay. She made a train with her Play-Doh. So that's how she's chugga chugga. Okay, you gotta say it softly, okay? So then I was watching that, and like the pasta looked so good. But according to Gordon Ramsay, it was very nasty, but it was like I wanted to eat it. So then we went. So I feel like when I see somebody eating it and it looks good, then I want to eat it. But I'm not really craving anything. I still like, I'm in love with root beer right now. Like I can't stop with soda. Root beer soda is like my go-to right now. I mean, that's it. I'm still drinking coffee. Not often, but like here and there, maybe like once every other week. Not even once, but I don't finish it. So is that okay? I mean, it's hard work. And plus I babysit, so I'm always exhausted and tired. And the mom of the baby does not know yet, so she don't know that I'm just going crazy because I'm exhausted and tired. But yeah, so that's all of an update for now, as of right now. And also today I am trying to plan my little announcement that I'm gonna post on here. So before all of this comes out, you guys are gonna see my announcement video. So I have my idea, I have my plan, and my friend is gonna come put it together for me. So it has to happen after my ultrasound, and she has work today, so probably after her job. And I want one of those boards because I have a thing I want on it, and she says that she has an extra one. She just gotta go look for it. So if she can't find it, then I guess I'm gonna have to go to a store. Maybe Target or Walmart will have it. I don't know, but all I need is just for that one picture, and then I don't need it no more. Like I'm done with the signboard, whatever. But yeah, so I'm gonna go charge my camera so I can get the rest of today going, and then you guys will see as we go. So yeah, welcome to my channel. This is my 3rd pregnancy, and I don't know what baby is yet. So yeah, so if you want to see all the other ones, don't forget, I'll have it linked below, but don't forget to subscribe because duh. And then my Instagram is ElishaAN_ if you want to keep up with there. I mean, I'm not posting on there yet. YouTube is going to be the first to know everything, but like I don't know what I'm going to announce to my social media. I feel like I'm just going to keep it connected with you guys because, you know, if you can be subscribed to me and watch me and do with me, you get to know all the deets before anybody else. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll be back later. Hi guys, welcome back to my video. I know that I haven't been keeping up with my pregnancy updates. Okay, get away, you're gonna knock it down. So no, don't touch that. She's touching my box light. It's hot, baby, don't touch that, okay? No touching. Okay, be in the way. So today I am, Ida, stop, you're moving it. Today I am 17 weeks and 1 day, and baby is the size of a Pop-Tart. So I don't remember the last time. Actually I do, I put it in my notes, the last time that I made a video. It was at week 11. Damn, that is a long time from now. Okay, here, you want to be in my video, you need to sit and stop because you're gonna knock the camera down, girl. Okay, so the last time I updated was week 11, so this is week 17, and I basically uploaded everything as to that I am pregnant. It's not a secret no more. And I uploaded that baby is a girl, my third baby girl. Yeah. And what else did I update on? Oh, and I did my I'm pregnant reactions. Yeah, how old are you? 2. So yeah, I'm gonna try and keep up with this weekly because I am growing. So as I was like getting ready, I realized things about myself that I don't even think I was talking about. So in the beginning, I started to break out. Okay, if I talked about this, then I'm sorry, but I don't remember. But I started breaking out like all under here, like on my neck, like right over here, like my, was that like my jawline? I started breaking out over there, like I started to get like little pimples, like really tiny pimples. Like, was that like a zit? I have no idea. But I just noticed when I was getting ready, like they're gone. I don't have them no more. And everybody was like, oh yeah, you're having a boy. Like, because I kept saying that I had that. So that's why, like, because I did my announcement first, and then I did my gender reveal like maybe like a week after I announced, I think. I'm not sure, I forget. But they were like, oh, it's a boy. But because I never had that before, but I'm like, it's gone now. And also another thing, because I am pescatarian now, I don't know, meat, I can't stand meat, it grosses me out, but I am getting better. Before I couldn't even see it, I couldn't smell it, I couldn't be around it. Now, yesterday we were at the beach and they were barbecuing like meat, all kind of meat, and I realized that I can be around it, like I don't gag looking at it. So I don't know if that means that I'm ready to try and eat it again, but I'm deciding not to, because, well, one, I heard it's good, but I need to start getting more protein in, but two, I don't know if you can tell from like my other videos, but like I was getting like a serious, okay, don't talk ish that, oh, you're so skinny, blah blah, you're not fat, but I'm just talking about what I'm comfortable, what I'm used to, okay? So I was like skin and bones, and then I went on the double shot and I just was gaining weight like crazy. So I started to get like a double chin, like over here was really like starting to get like thick, like fat. Sorry if my head's coming out, but I'm trying to like show my neck. But now that I noticed, I'm like looking at myself when I was getting ready today, I was like, oh my god, I slimmed out over here. And I believe that it's probably because in the beginning of my pregnancy I wasn't really eating because I didn't want meat and I didn't know what to eat. But I mean, I'm gaining weight, my stomach is growing. I will do a little belly shot, but it's like, it's gone. Like, I'm getting slim and I'm getting pregnant. I'm more pregnant and I'm getting slimmer. Like, I'm excited. Like, I'm fine. I don't have morning sickness. They can see it, baby. Yeah. So I've been taking my prenatal, you know, what I remember. I'm drinking coffee. I can't help it, like, because I babysit. I have this little 2-year-old and then I have a 5-year-old, so I'm tired, okay? I need coffee. I don't drink it every day. Yeah, I don't drink it every day. I really try not to. I do not. Maybe every other day. I'm working on it. Yeah. So that's an update. I'm trying to think of other things. Oh, so today I'm going to bring you guys along, I think. Or I'm going to talk about it. I don't know how my new OB. So I have a new OB. And so I don't know if I talked about it before. Okay. So when I found out I was pregnant, I called my OB. The same one who delivered both my daughters. The one that I've been going to. Like, yeah. So he's at Straub. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about when I say like doctor's offices. Okay, so he's at Straub Mililani. But when I called, all of a sudden they were saying that he does not do pregnancies anymore because he was supposed to retire. Yes, let's stop. He was supposed to retire, but after I gave birth to her, he was saying he was gonna retire. But then he just worked Saturdays, so I was keeping up with him for like my birth controls and stuff. But then I found out that he doesn't do pregnancies, so I was like, what the heck? So I was like, is there anybody there that can take me? So then there was another guy, but for a new patient. So this is when I called in July, but they said for a new patient it wasn't going to be till late September, which is now late September. Elia, stop please. I'm gonna have to start doing this while she's napping. She's touching everything. But late September, so I was like, oh, turn it back on now. Now, stop. One more time, you're gonna go face the wall. You wanna go in timeout? Then don't do that, okay? Look, now everybody's seeing you get scoldings. Okay, so I was like, is there anybody else can take me? And they said that, and I was like, oh, okay, never. So I made the appointment, and then I was thinking about it. I was like, I think I really need to go because that's a long time. Like, look, that would be right now, and I'm 17 weeks. Like, I would wait that long, and I was like, oh, okay. And then I ended up like doing a lot of research. It took me a while until I found somebody who would take my insurance and who was accepting new patients. So I went to Poly Women's Health, and it was in Kapolei, which is way closer to me. But the only thing is they deliver at, I don't know if I said this before, they deliver at Castle, and I've given birth twice at Kapiolani. So I was like, I guess, you know, we're ready to try something new because nobody was pregnant, so I couldn't get feedback. So I just dealt with it. And then when I finally announced that I'm pregnant, and the dad knows, he was kind of against Castle. I don't know why. Personally, I don't know why he was against it. Like, I don't even know about it, but I mean, I should have done more research. But it was the only people that was taking me at the time. So then I guess he was talking to his coworker about it, and his coworker's wife is, I think, 3 weeks behind me. And they were like, oh, we just got a new OB. She's new. She's from the mainland, and she's at Straub Mililani. And I was like, that's where I used to go. But I was like, they told me that the other doctor was a guy. So my doctor was a guy, and they told me the other one available that I would see right now would be when they said late September. Okay, was another guy. So I was like, oh, she really is new. So I was like, oh, what's her name? So I did my research. She was new, blah blah blah. So then the following day I called, and then I was like, oh, I wanted to know if she's accepting new patients. And then they're like, oh, currently she's not, she's already filled. And I was like, oh. And then I explained my situation about how I used to be with the other doctor that was there, and now he doesn't do pregnancies, blah blah blah. So they were saying that she wasn't accepting no patients at all. And then the lady was like, oh, you used to be here? And then I was like, yeah. So she asked me all my on-account questions. She pulled up my record, and she seen that, yeah, I used to be there. Watch out, Lil. That, yeah, I was there basically. And then she was like, oh, you know what, hold on, I'm gonna go call them and leave a message and see if they're willing to take you. So this was sometime maybe in the beginning of this month or the ending of last month, I don't remember. And then they're like, you know, she can squeeze you in, but you know, since she's new, she's already like high volume, I guess, like she took on a lot. So they said that, oh, we can squeeze you in on September 24th at 2:30, which is today, and currently it is 1:15. I need to pick up Thursday from school at 1:30, so we're good. Okay, so there was at 2:30, and I was like, I'll take it. Like, I'm good. I'll take that. Like, I didn't want to wait. But then also with the other doctor, I went to, like, you know, I started already doing my watch out, you're gonna move the light. I started doing my, what is that? Like all my testing, you know how they do with the baby and all that. I started doing that with the other doctor. And then they told me to just keep those appointments because they could get all my results. Okay, let's stop. Okay, they seen it. It's cute. So they said that they could get all my results from themselves because it's a different place, but they work with them. And I did go there with both my girls the last time. So I was like, oh, okay. But then, so yeah, my appointment with my new OB is today. And then on October 11th is I have another appointment with the ones that do the follow-up checkup. Like to check baby's growth, you know, see all fingers, toes, all of that body parts. And then we get to see the confirm gender, because then you can really see it. Okay, hold on. So like the other time, they didn't say it was 100%. I would say they would say it's like 80 to 95% sure that it was a girl because it was flat down there, but it was the exact same when we seen the 2 white lines like when we did with the girls. So we believed her, and it was the same lady who was telling us early with the 2 girls. So we believed her. But October 11th, you know, I'll be sure to tell you that it'll be a girl, yeah. Or you know, maybe it could be a boy. I don't know. Maybe they're wrong. I don't know. But I'm still thinking it's a girl. So yeah, I have my first appointment today, and I'm gonna take you guys along, like hopefully. And I'm pretty sure she's gonna do like ultrasounds on me because, I mean, it's her first time seeing me, so I feel like she's probably gonna want to, which I'm excited for because I really want an ultrasound. But yeah, so I'm taking you guys along with me. I'm gonna do a little belly bump right now, and then we'll update you guys more as the time is closer for us to be there. So this is 17 weeks and one. Oh, and my boobs are just getting bigger. Okay, wait, hold on, let me move you guys back. Yeah. Mommy has to bend down, I think. So this is 17 weeks and 1 day. Don't touch the camera. So here's the front. Sorry, it's such an awkward angle. I think I need to move back more. I don't know. They're squatting. So can you see? This is me pushing out. This is regular. This is try to suck in. Okay. So yeah, this is the little bumpy bump. Let's make a little heart. We can have like a little thumbnail, maybe like this. I don't know, but yeah. So keep you guys updated.